Hello, this is Ang from TEO3. In this video, I would like to do a brief explanation about Euler's method formula to estimate the initial value problem, which is also known as IVP. So before we start, I would like to do a brief explanation of how to derive Euler method's formula. So in this graph, the line given will be the linear equation, and x of n and y of n represent the first initial values. So we would like to estimate the value of y naught n plus 1, 1, a is equal to n plus 1. So we h will be the step size, and we keep increasing the size of x until we get the desired value. So in this case, we draw a tangent line at the starting point, which is xn and yn, and we calculate the slope of the equation, which will be f line x of n y naught n is equal to rise over run, which is y naught n plus 1 minus y naught n over x of n plus 1 minus x of n. So as I mentioned, h represents the step size, so x of n plus 1 is equal to x of n plus h. If we want the value of x, so we minus x of n from x of n plus 1, and we substitute in the denominator so that we can obtain the value equation y naught n plus 1 equal y naught n plus h multiplied by f prime x of n y of n. So now I will be approximating the value of y naught 1 using Euler's method formula in Excel. We are using the step size of 0.1, and the first column x of n represent x of n, which we will be increasing the size starting from 0 until 1, and the second column represent y naught 1, with this obtained by using the Euler's method formula y naught n plus 1 equal y naught n plus h, or multiplied by f for x of n y naught n. So from our starting point, that will be x of n equal to 0 and y naught n equal to 1 according to the problem. And then we increase the size for x by 0.1 and calculate the value of y naught n using this formula. But in the Excel sheet, I already put the formula here. So we keep on increasing the size of x of n until we reach the desired value, which is 1. And our final approximation of y naught 1 will be 1.91138. And this column represents the slope, which is f prime of x of n, y of n, and it is calculated by using the corresponding x of n and y of n. So now we'll solve the equation by using general solution method. So the equation is separable, so we move y to the left side and then dx to the right side, and we integrate both sides until we get the general solution of y equals square root of 2x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 2x plus c. According to the question, we are given y of 0 equal to 1. So we substitute the value x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 till we come up with the value of c is equal to 1. After this, we are going to calculate the value of y of 1. So we substitute the value 1 to x, and our final answer will be y equal to 1.91485. So our approximation error between the Euler method and general solution method will be minus 0.00347. So this will be the end of my video. Thank you for your time.